guys, and welcome back to Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily make a pencil skirt without using a sewing pattern. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. I'm also going to show you how to easily sew and attach an elastic waistband without casing. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. I already pre-cut the fabric. It measures 24 inches long and 22 inches wide. 22 is the waistline. This is not for me, this is for my niece. That's why it is on a smaller side. 1/2 inch seam allowances are already included in the measurement, so be sure to add your seam allowance. The elastic, it is about 1.5 inch shorter than the waistline, which is 22. Next thing I will do is I'm going to sew the side seam or the back seam. There's only going to be one seam. You can put it on the side or at the back. It's totally up to you. And if you don't have a serger, you can easily use a narrow zigzag stitch. After that, I am going to match the seams of the elastic and the skirt together, and I'm going to quarter the skirt waistline as well. In mind, if you are going to recreate this project, be sure that the fabric you are using is a stretchy material. It will not work for a woven fabric. This skirt is meant to be fitted. That's why it's important to have a little bit of stretch on the fabric. Now I am going to zigzag stitch it all the way around. I'm slightly stretching the elastic as I go. Just because the elastic is a little shorter than the actual fabric, so you want to stretch that out a little bit. After that, I am going to fold it in. As you can see, it looks really nice and tidy. So I'm just going to fold it in to hide the elastic, and then I'm going to go ahead and zigzag stitch it one more time. Fold it nice and tight so the waistline is going to be smooth and flat. And then I'm going to stretch the elastic as well as I zigzag stitch it. And this is the final result. It's different. It doesn't have that gathered look on the waistline. I wasn't able to try it on for you guys just because this skirt is not for me. And I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down here. Hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. See you soon. Bye!